Association marketing is an exciting and challenging place to be, whether you are new to associations or a longtime leader. The race to attract and retain members has ramped up. Many associations have also had significant leadership changes. The technology for marketing has also changed. This presents an opportunity, and I want to introduce 4 ideas for you to consider in your association marketing. The first is a digital ad campaign. You have to approach it a little bit differently compared to print ads, but digital ads can work really well for attracting members. For example, consider a LinkedIn ad campaign where you offer a valuable article or white paper when they click your ad. You can capture emails when the downloadable content is really enticing. The second idea is DIY toolkits. Send an email that introduces a valuable toolkit to prospective and current members. The toolkit should help them navigate a common need or issue in their industry. Here are 2 other ideas that kind of link together. It's about going virtual. You can set up virtual coffee meetings with potential members and send them a coffee card to sweeten the deal. Or expand your reach from traditional conference or trade show and optimize virtual events. Take questions prior to the event to ensure livelier engagement. Book virtual rooms for small group discussion. These are just a few ways to get creative with your association marketing. Call me at Ingenuity if you have any questions or need help.